Set proper goals for affiliate marketing business ventures. A strategy that businesses use for growth is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing strategies benefit companies by allowing them to bring in more potential customers, which results in more profit for the business. For those who have never used affiliate marketing, there are some things to know before applying it to your business. The following video will provide you with information about affiliate marketing. If you are operating a web business that is providing local services, then you need to start out seeking local sponsorship and traffic rather than wider exposure. Check out the local Chamber of Commerce and local business directories in order to find great listing opportunities. Nothing is better for your search engine rankings than for people to search for your site by name. Once you get your site up and running and you are on your way making money, you should consider purchasing more sites and expanding your affiliate advertising possibilities. If you have more outlets for viewing, you will inevitably have more visitors click on your links, giving you more money in the long run. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to choose quality products to advertise. Remember, all of the recommendations that you make reflect directly back on you. Therefore, if you advertise an affordable and quality product, your customers or subscribers will trust your advice, thereby boosting your credibility. If you have purchased an affiliate product to test it out, do not rely on text alone to give it a positive review. Break out the video camera, comb your hair, and give a video review of the product half how it works, how it helps you, and how it can help them. Allow people to actually see the product. Furthermore, businesses use the affiliate marketing strategy for growth. Affiliate marketing draws more customers to businesses, which in turn creates more profit. If you have never used affiliate marketing, then the information from this video will help you use it with your business to gain more customers and generate more profit. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.